must be the gypsy in you.
Good morning, welcome to Glastonbury 2023. So just arrived this morning, checked in, wristbanded up. We're going to go and start making some bars. So yeah, it's Wednesday morning now, a week until the festival opens. Plenty of time to get everything done, hopefully not a mad rush at the end like usual. But yeah, it feels good to be back. Going to go around and explore the site. We're here tonight.
Don't so quickly turned away from that.
Right, Thursday morning, bar number 2. This is the Ridge and Furrow, and there's a lot going on here. We've just started setting up all the bars at the back, but we've got massive signage to go up, lions to go up in cages. A couple of days work at least. It's roasting again, it's about 30 degrees, but all good fun. Day 4, rocking and rolling. So one bar done completely. Ridge and Furrow's coming on. The lions are in. Lukash is having it. It's all going. And Adam's doing nothing as usual. 8 o'clock. Just finished. Bar looks good. One more to do.
We'll just make a little like barrier of that same blue, and that's it.
Yeah, I don't know.
Guys, alright?
Beautiful. Oh yes. Larger, for instance, and say like, build that.
Yeah. Alright, Saturday night. We're ahead with the build, so we come out for a couple of beers. Welcome to the crew bar at the Unfairground with the dream team.
I said this to Rick, I've never
Who wants to be yeah, of course.
Robbie, smile.
Hold on, let me get my camera out of the way.
I love our area.
A few empties. Just like that, it's all over. Monday morning, day 14 on site, I think. Who knows anymore? So yeah, that's it, we're done. Start ripping down the bars, packing up the stock, and then off to the next one. So I've got about 3 days here, and then I've got to get to Noisley in Grantham. I just checked the route on the map, 300 kilometres, which is a bit more than I thought it was going to be. So yeah, a couple of days clean living, and then prepare for the cycle. But let's see some of the break anyway. Everyone's going home. Sad day. We are off. West Holt's behind me, getting taken down. We're all packed up. I'm going to do a quick lap of sight, and then we start the long journey to Noisley. So not too bad today. Just going to Bristol. Going to go and stay with a friend. About 4 hours, I reckon. The bike is ultra lightweight because I've ditched all my kit. But let's have one last look at Glastonbury before we go.
Can't live in darkness all the time. Sometimes you have to look at the morning.
The other stage already pretty much down, doesn't take long. You'll see the army of litter pickers walking around. Still a lot of carnage to clean up. Good job. Through Silver Haze, everything's pretty much down here already. Got 3 or 4 big stages here. Sort of e-recordings, 30 years, just over there. That was awesome. All right, there's the pyramid, last one standing as always. Sort of Foo Fighters, Elton John, Arctic Monkeys, also the Bristol Reggae Orchestra. Big shout out to Sue, Will's mum. That was an awesome start to Sunday morning. But yeah, that's it. All right, Glastonbury. See you later. Time to go.
Follow this way 1.1 kilometers. When you left the tour,
That's it.
automatic replanning is turned.
All right. Oh, this is the real road. Back to reality. Until next year, Glastonbury.